What did you do in your room? Let's go look. Did you do this? Look at this mess. You do all this? You got the stuffed animals, you got the clothes. You opened the closet, took out the hangers, pulled down all the clothes. Huh? Did some good work. You did some good work here. Otis, what do you think about the situation, huh? Just a half-tail wag. Wasn't you? Was it you? No, it wasn't, was it? Can't get to the dog because there's too much stuff on the floor. Oh, it was Otis, wasn't it? Giving Otis the headlock.